Next award is for Best Comedian Malayalam.
To hand over the awards, we would like to welcome on stage Pranitha Subhash and the wonderful actor par excellence, Prakash Raj.
The award for the Best Comedian Malayalam goes to Arju Varghese for 2 countries.
നമസ്കാരം. ഈ അവാർഡ് റിസീവ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ അത് തന്ന വ്യക്തി ഞാനല്ല ഇന്നത്തെ മലയാളം സിനിമയിലെ യങ്സ്റ്റേഴ്സ് ഒരുപാട് ആരാധിക്കുന്ന പ്രകാശ് രാജ് സാറിനോടും കയ്യിൽ നിന്ന് റിസീവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയില്ല. ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. ഇരുവർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ സിനിമയൊക്കെ ഒരു 50 പ്രാവശ്യമൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. സാറിന് മലയാളം മനസ്സിലാവും ഞാൻ വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. പിന്നെ സിംഗപ്പൂരിൽ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ഏതൊരു അവാർഡും ഇൻസ്പിറേഷനിലാണ്, നമ്മൾ എൻകറേജ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണ്. എൻ്റെ അവാർഡ് കാറ്റഗറിയോടൊപ്പം മറ്റ് നോമിനേഷൻസ് വന്ന എല്ലാവരും എൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സാണ്. അവർക്കെല്ലാവർക്കും സ്റ്റാർട്ടിങ് വിത്ത് സൗബിൻ, വിനയ് ഫോർട്ട്, നീരജ് മാധവ്, ധ്യാൻ ശ്രീനിവാസൻ, ഈ 4 പേരും എൻ്റെ ബ്രദേഴ്സിനെ പോലെ തന്നെയാണ്. ഈ 4 പേർക്കൊപ്പം ഞാനിത് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുന്നു. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്.
Next is the award for Best Actor in a Negative Role Malayalam.
Best Actor in Negative Role Malayalam goes to Kabir Bedi.
Thank you, Saima. Thank you. And thank you to all those that made my participation in Anarkali possible. I'd like to thank the producer, Rajiv Nair. I'd like to thank Sachi sir, who's the writer-director. Prithviraj, of course, the hero and leading man of the film. Biju Menon and Priya Gaur and all the wonderful cast that made it possible. Vidya Sagar Saab for his wonderful music. And Sujit for his marvelous camera work. But also, I just want to say, this is very important. The award is important, but also my participation in films of the South is important. My career has been national and international, and my national career would not be complete if I wasn't taking part in films from the South. And I must say, I have been, thank you, privileged to also be working in another film, a Telugu film, with the great Balakrishna, which is called Gautami Putra Shatakarani, based on the great Satavahana king. I am very honored to be part of the South Indian film industry as well, and I bow in reverence to all the great actors, producers, directors, writers, cameramen, makeup people, set designers, all the great talent that makes up the incredible industries of the south of India and is raising their standards across the world. I bow to them all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kabir Bedi ji. We have one thing to say. Anarkali, you acted in the Malayalam movie Anarkali, but you didn't speak any Malayalam in that film.
Now you're going to make me look like a fool.
I would really appreciate if you would speak in Malayalam. So I will cue you. You can just repeat.
All right.
Enikku ningale ellavareyum kandadil വളരെ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. Yay! Excellent.
Thank you.
Kabir Bedi sir, and I have no words because I've been seeing him grown up, because the boundaries he reached in international cinema, who was a great example. I'm sure all of us here, whether it's Prithvi, Kenny, all of us know about that. And to see him here and him being so humble and adding his experience into our cinema is... We are honored, sir. We are very honored to be on the stage with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to the South Indian industry.
We would like to now felicitate our local promoters in Singapore for Saima for all their support. So I request Purnima from D Ideas and Mr. Raj from Tamil Murasu to kindly come on stage. Purnima from D Ideas is receiving her memento. Mr. Raj from Tamil Murasu. Thank you so much for your support to D Ideas and Tamil Murasu.